This is the robot inspection. For size inspection, robot fits within starting size restrictions of 18 inches by 18 inches by 18 inches. And the team ID plates are on either side for team 8086Y. Team is competing with only one robot. We have no spare or replacement robots. Robot displays the VEX plates on either side. It does not contain any components which will be intentionally detached on the playing field. It also does not contain any components that could entangle or damage the playing field or other robots. Robot does not contain any sharp edges or corners. Robot brain power button is accessible without moving or lifting the robot. Team testifies that the designing, building, and programming of the robot was done by only the students on the team. All robot components are VEX components or identical to official VEX parts. Robot does not use VEX products not intended for use as a robot component or any VEX packaging. All components on the robot meet the VRC inspection criteria, and there are no decorations. There are no shattering plastic pieces on the robot. Robot has one VEX V5 robot brain. Robot utilizes the VEXNet wireless communication system. None of the electronics are from VEXplore, VEX Pro, VEX RCR, VEX IQ, or VEX Robotics by Hexbug. Total number of smart motors on the robot is no more than 8, and there are no pneumatics.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7, 8.
The robot also contains no VEX2 wire motors. Robot uses one V5 robot battery. Robot is controlled by one V5 controller. No VEX electrical components have been modified from their original state. No method of attachment not provided by the VEX design system was used. This includes welding and gluing. Robot uses no pneumatics and no reservoirs. Robot contains no components obtained through the V5 beta program. There are no custom cables, and there are no decorations. The robot brain has the latest firmware listed on the vex.com/firmware. There is no vision sensor. The timer is on the right-hand side on the computer. It's at 0 right now. Yeah. It is? Okay.
Yeah, it's just a 0, 0.
So you can see on the side it's reset to 1 minute. Wait, is the robot on?
Robot's on, you just need a preload, right? Oh, you know, it's the spare one.
Preload's on.
Yeah. Oh, okay. At the intersection of the tape. Okay. Once you're ready, let's go do the field one.
Okay.
Good. Good.
All right. You guys ready?
Start the run in 3, 2, 1.
This is for team 8086Y. Our code is 1C31NV.